So there are factors one has to consider before buying a washing machine. And today I'll be talking about one most important factor when buying a washing machine. In most cases, people ask, I want a machine that can wash a blanket or a duvet. So the question is it big enough to wash a duvet? Like this one is a 9 kg washing machine, LG. So I want to show you. See, the blanket has fitted properly, and also it has left some space, which means if I put my hand here, the drum still has a lot of space. So the drum is big enough to wash a blanket. This is a 9 kg washing machine. It's an LG brand. So when buying a washing machine, consider the use you go for it. Like if you want to be washing duvet, so buy a bigger capacity. Like the same duvet cannot be washed with a 6 kg washing machine. Let us start the machine. So there are other factors apart from the capacity. That is what you need to be washing frequently. Apart from considering the capacity, we have other factors to consider while buying a washing machine. The other factors include, like, one, it's budget. Your budget for the washing machine. Is it how much are you offering for the washing machine, or how much are you willing to offer to buy a certain washing machine, or what have you planned for? Apart from the budget, it's the space. Some people want a small washing machine because of the space in the house. So like this one is a big washing machine. It will take a lot of space. That one is it's a small factor. So the major factor is the capacity, the power consumption, and so many others. So keep watching. In our next video, I'll be doing the other factors. So keep watching, subscribe to the channel for more. Then I wanted also to show you the recommended water pressure for our washing machine if you need your washing machine to work properly. I think that is clear enough. I see this high water pressure. So the water fills the drum in the stipulated time. If it takes longer to fill the drum, then it will bring an IE error code depending with the brand. This is an LG brand. LG will bring IE, so it has not filled with it in the stipulated time. So make sure when you have a washing machine, you have recommended water pressure for it. Low water pressure will make the washing machine either wash for so long or it will bring an error code. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.